If you want to unlink your SHEIN account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app or website. Launch the SHEIN app on your mobile device or visit the SHEIN website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your SHEIN account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting Account from the menu options. Step 3. Access linked accounts. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Social Media Accounts. Click on this option to view the accounts connected to your SHEIN profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection between your SHEIN account and Facebook. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink the accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once confirmed, your SHEIN account will no longer be connected to Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your SHEIN account from Facebook. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to SHEIN customer support for assistance.